Hello and welcome back to another episode of Teaching Partner. Today we have an incredibly enlightening topic to delve into, the essence of Kaizen in education. First, let's understand the concept of Kaizen, derived from the Japanese word Kai, meaning change, and Zen means good. Kaizen is a Japanese business philosophy focused on continuous improvement and involving all employees. Kaizen in education, a concept that promotes gradual and manageable improvement within schools. By adopting Kaizen principles, we can revolutionize the way we learn and grow as students, teachers, and educational institutions. So how we can apply Kaizen in education? Well, it starts with nurturing a mindset that embraces growth, resilience, and continuous learning. Let's explore the 6 essential steps to implement the Kaizen approach in education. Step number 1. Staff involvement. The Kaizen approach involves involving the people responsible for making the changes. This ensures that there is a realization of the need for change. Step number 2. Gather a list of problems. Before solving the first issue, it is important to gather a range of key issues facing the school. This ensures that people feel heard and prioritizes the issues at the beginning of the process. Step number 3. Encourage solutions and choose an idea. The Kaizen approach focuses on being solution focused. The team discusses and selects solutions to tackle the issues, understanding that not all solutions may achieve the desired outcome. Thorough planning, commitment, systematic monitoring, and honest review are crucial. Step number 4. Test the solution. The Kaizen approach uses objective measures to review and reflect upon the success of the implemented solution. For example, for the issue of lateness to school, punctuality data is the key measure of success. Step number 5. Analyze the results. The data or information related to identified issue is measured to determine if the desired effect has been achieved. If successful, the solution is adopted. If not, it is not adopted. Final step. Step number 6. Regularly repeat the process. The Kaizen approach can be incorporated into the working week through regular team huddles or discussions. This allows for continual review, revision, and repetition of the improvement process. Now let's explore the advantages of Kaizen in education. Firstly, it promotes a lifelong love for learning by instilling a sense of purpose and self-motivation. It empowers students to take ownership of their growth, fostering independence and critical thinking. Additionally, employing Kaizen principles in pedagogy enhances collaboration as students and educators work together towards shared goals, creating a vibrant educational ecosystem. To solidify our understanding, let's examine a remarkable example of Kaizen in action. Meet Lincoln High School, where students are challenged to reflect on their learning journey and set personal goals. Through ongoing assessments, personalized feedback, and constant reflection, Lincoln High School has witnessed exponential growth in academic achievements, emotional intelligence, and overall satisfaction among students and faculty. In conclusion, by embracing the Kaizen approach, education institutions can foster a culture of collaboration, innovation, and ongoing reflection, ultimately leading to enhanced learning outcomes and a more effective and efficient educational system. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video is very useful for you. So thank you very much. If you have any question, query, or you need any support for making a decision, don't hesitate to write an email to theteachingpartner@gmail.com. Thank you very much and see you in the next video. Goodbye.